I don't want to clean them beds over there. I really don't. I really don't.
Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me? Wouldn't it be crazy? Would you still amaze me?
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back. I'm Salon DivaV. In a place to be, y'all. My garden. And I'm out here in this cold garden this morning on Vlogmas Day 5. Yes, y'all. I am trying to be consistent with my Vlogmas. Shout out to CC's Texas Garden for giving me some motivation on this morning to keep it up with my Vlogmas. Thank you, sis. So y'all, I just came out just to talk about some of the winter or the winter preparation, if you want to call it, that I'm doing right now in my garden zone 9A. So first, like I did the other day with prepping my bed for the spring season, adding old food so it can break down for the spring season, pulling out weeds in those in those garden beds. So I've done one. No, actually I've done two. I have one more to go. No, I'm lying. I have a lot more to go. But I actually done two, and I have to get that whole section back there by the fence done. Also planning, I have my book right here, writing things about the plants that I've been growing, like cabbages and when to fertilize, what they like, how to plant them, the depth of the hole that you need to plant. So yeah, I just need to actually access this book when I plant something so I can remember, and it'll click, it'll stay when I'm out here planting things, and I have to be like, how I do this again? Yeah. So utilizing my notebook and actually planning out my garden in here, writing it down and making a plan for it. Making sure I check my soil to make sure it's moist and not overwatering my garden. Again, like I said in yesterday's video, protecting my plants from the cold weather. Right now it's 40 something degrees outside. So and most of the things I have out here is cold weather crops, like the broccoli and the cabbage, the lettuce. Uh, I think the eggplants will be okay. And there's some peas, but other than that, there's nothing else besides the trees. You know, y'all know I can't bring them inside. I have to check to make sure the grapevine, if I need to cut it down all the way, cover it, or what. So I still need to do some more research on those. The cherry trees, I think they're okay. I think certain cherries need to have cold stratification, if I'm not mistaken. But basically, that's pretty much it. Um, just getting out, like I said, planting my garden, um, getting everything prepared for the upcoming season, and overwintering what I have in the garden. I do need to go in and like cut all the green leaves off of the strawberries and mulch them in with some straw, because this is the first year I didn't kill my strawberries, y'all. The first year. So I think I'm getting better at this gardening thing. Yeah, so I don't want to keep you guys long. Also cleaning my pots. The pots that I have, cleaning and replacing, because my pots, I'm looking at them right now, all the ones that I got from the big box blue store. um they are starting. I've been having them since I started gardening, and they starting to crack. So I need to replace them with some more pots. Put add some. I'm gonna add some fresh soil and some compost to the bottom of the pot, not to the top. So I can lift them up, especially with those mint. The mint, the mint is just minting, y'all. Um, and just get that ready for springtime. So all of the pots that I have in the garden that plants just died out, either clean them out. Well, take the old plants out and either take that soil out and clean the pot out, or just take the pot and put it away somewhere for the next plant that's it's going to be a home too. So yeah, cleaning my pots, planning my spring layout, prepping my beds, um, and protecting for the cold. So that's about it on. I don't want to clean them beds over there. I really don't. I really don't. I really don't. If I can stress anything to a new gardener, is to stay on top of your garden. Stay on top of your garden. If not, your garden is gonna stay on top of you. So yeah, y'all, that's it. Wouldn't be a garden video if I didn't show you guys the garden, right? If y'all just saw it yesterday, but I'm turning you guys around so you can see one more time. So yeah, I'm actually utilizing my little sit down area where I sit down. That's weed infested also. Them weeds gonna find a way to grow, y'all. They're gonna find a way to grow. But I think I found a solution. But I'm gonna go in, pull all the weeds out of here, remove everything from this little section, put the plastic bags in, and then put the red mulch on top of there, so I can have my section back again. But yeah, this is the garden. Doing well, doing what it's supposed to do, growing what it's growing. And I don't want to keep this video long. So I'm signing out. I'm Salon DivaV, in the place to be, y'all. My garden, you know what it is. Peace.